Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar for burning fat and how you can use it effectively. You know me, I'm all about giving you guys the tools for a healthier, happier life, and apple cider vinegar, it's a total game changer. We're going to break down the science behind it, how it can help you torch those extra pounds, and some simple ways to make it a part of your daily routine. Let's get to it. So, what makes apple cider vinegar a fat-burning powerhouse? Well, it all comes down to this amazing compound called acetic acid. Acetic acid is what gives apple cider vinegar that signature tang, but it also has some pretty incredible effects on your metabolism. Studies have shown that acetic acid can actually help boost your body's ability to burn fat. How? It increases the activity of certain enzymes that help break down fat cells, so you can kiss those stubborn pounds goodbye. But that's not all. Acetic acid can also improve your body's insulin sensitivity. What does that mean? Basically, it helps your cells use glucose, the sugar in your bloodstream, more effectively for energy. This means less of it gets stored as fat. It's a win-win. And here's another cool thing. Apple cider vinegar can even help you feel fuller for longer. We'll dive deeper into that in just a bit, but first let's talk about... We've all been there, right? Those cravings hit, and you just can't resist that extra snack. Well, guess what? Apple cider vinegar can be your secret weapon in the fight against those pesky cravings. Remember how we talked about acetic acid and its impact on insulin sensitivity? Well, that plays a big role in keeping your hunger hormones in check. When your blood sugar levels are stable, you're less likely to experience those sudden spikes and crashes that leave you feeling ravenous. But there's more. Apple cider vinegar can also slow down the rate at which food empties from your stomach. This means you feel fuller for longer after meals, making it easier to resist those tempting treats. And here's a little bonus. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can even help reduce those cravings for sugary sweets. Now, who wouldn't want that? Okay, so you're convinced about the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar. Now you're probably wondering, when's the best time to take it? Well, I've got you covered. For optimal fat burning and appetite control, many experts recommend incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine right before meals. Think of it as a pre-meal ritual. Just a tablespoon or two diluted in a glass of water about 30 minutes before you eat can work wonders. Why before meals? Because that's when it can really work its magic on your blood sugar levels and help you feel fuller faster. This means you're less likely to overeat and more likely to make healthier choices. But hey, if you forget to take it before a meal, don't sweat it. You can still enjoy the benefits by sipping on some apple cider vinegar water throughout the day. Let's be real for a second. Drinking straight apple cider vinegar? Not the most appealing thought, right? But don't worry. I've got a super simple and refreshing recipe that will make incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine a breeze. Here's what you need. A glass of water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Always go for the raw, unfiltered kind with the mother. And a squeeze of lemon for an extra flavor boost. That's it. Just mix it all up, and you're good to go. This simple drink is a great way to start your day, enjoy before meals, or sip on throughout the afternoon for a little pick-me-up. Alright, now that you know how to make a delicious apple cider vinegar drink, let's talk about how to make it a sustainable part of your daily routine. Consistency is key, my friends. Start by adding a reminder to your phone or planner to take your apple cider vinegar before meals. You can also keep a bottle of your pre-made drink in the fridge for easy access. Another tip, make it social. Get your family or roommates on board, and turn it into a healthy habit you can all do together. And remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. If you're new to apple cider vinegar, start with a smaller amount, and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Remember, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine is just one piece of the puzzle. Combine it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and plenty of sleep for optimal results. Keep those questions coming, and I'll see you in the next video.